check back to see if you have done the things that you were supposed to do. So look each other in the eyes, start to feel a little guilty if you haven't done what you're supposed to do. Don't be proudful if you finished everything. But check back and ask each other if you've written your letters for your financial and prayer support. You didn't have to send them yet, but have you written your letter? If you have a letter written, hopefully you brought it with you to this session too, and you guys can talk about that letter or review it with a friend. And have you made a list of your potential supporters? It's great to get that list going, and hopefully by comparing lists, you can learn, oh, I didn't include anybody from where I work like you did. I should do some of that. So compare lists and get some ideas of other people that you can contact. So have you written your letter? Have you made a list of supporters? Review your financial deadlines and your trip calendar. So review those trip calendar deadlines together. And then also check back. Remember, you were supposed to be working on your passport. So do you have your passport, and is it in process? If your passport is not either in your hand or in process, then you have a problem. It'll be okay, but you have a problem. So talk to your trip leader, make sure that you have a passport or it's already in process.